Mixed bristle brush. This has synthetic and natural bristles, and it helps move the oil off my scalp and free my scalp of any dead skin, which to me is like cleansing my hair. So it helps keep my hair cleaner and not looking as greasy at the root longer, so I can go more days. So I wet it down. I like to use Matrix Biolage. It's a natural organic product, and I just really like the smells, and it works for my hair. So I like to have it for my clients as well. So I'm just combing through, kind of making sure there are no dry spots, because that's going to end up being unreset if there's a dry spot.
So your second and third day hair, you'd like to keep it really wet, right, before you reset it again during the day?
Yes, because it is so dry and it's been enough days of me brushing in between that I've really kind of brushed all of the natural texture out, and I need as much water as possible to basically trick my hair into starting over. So going back to the wave. I'm going to use a serum, just smooth proof. So I really like this because you can layer it. So I'm starting with a little bit.
Just a tiny bit. Okay.
Yeah, and I'm just going to palm it in. So I know that it's really coating everything. Twisting away from the face just to have that illusion. Some people, if you have naturally curly hair and it will only twist towards your face, sometimes you have to go with it to get the best curl shape. But that is a personal, decision you decide. Yeah, so I really like what that's doing. And then in the back, I have a cowlick that splits a lot, especially on that second and third and fourth day hair. It will really, really separate. I'm twisting so I'm twisting this piece this way towards that split.
Okay.
And then I'll twist this side this way towards that split. And then that way they kind of twist on top of the split as opposed to moving away from the split. So it helps cover that area a little bit. I can use a little bit of this anti-frizz spray.
Okay, I have the bigger part of it.
Yes, this is good for, I don't use a lot of this one, so that's why I have a small one. This is good for all textures of hair, but for me, I like to finish with it so that I know that I'm protecting the hair against the frizz and I'm not touching it anymore until it's dry, so I know it's gonna do the most it can for the frizz. Because if you touch the hair too much, especially with dry hands, you have a tendency to frizz it up a little bit too much.
Okay, so this is a frizz control styling spray with a little lavender in it.
Yes, and it does have some bit of a cast.
Okay.
So it can help with definition, but it isn't, it's not like a hairspray or anything like that.